Um, sure, we don't even need that.
Turn me up, got it. Yeah, shit, she give me the yes. Make her arch her back, she give me the best. She give me the X. Walk inside that bank, they give me the check. Think I caught a crap with a money step. Keep her old stick, army vet. Keep my new chick, tsunami wet. Tatted on my neck, arm, leg.
Oh, that is way too fucking loud.
I'ma make it hard for the next. Niggas snitching, I can't send a text. More bus made a killing, not in my head. More bus, I just landed in New York. I just put a vibe on the Bronx in New Louis Vuitton. Riding with my team, yeah, Brooklyn in a new.
Is that too high or no? All right. Basically, we're just gonna go over. Yeah, we're fine. All right. Yeah, that's fine. So, let's get started. I don't know who's in the chat right now, but I'll just all right. We're just gonna go over the sectors. If you guys are watching this later, that's fine. I don't really care. Right now, as you guys can tell, the leading sector, which is currently technology, actually recently broke out. That leading sector before had a leading stock, which was Nvidia, and you can see Nvidia also was is still a very strong leading stock, and then we now have AMD as the leader. So now AMD, I know people got in on the breakout at 180 and got 200 calls, which I got in at 205 calls. I'm not gonna lie, and I wish I had stayed there because I could have made a lot of money. At 203, I would have sold like on Friday. That would have been a pretty good move, but unfortunately, that's not exactly what happened. But I don't really care. So we're just gonna be watching. We have our setting up here. We're just gonna go over this real quickly, like what is setting up and what isn't. This technically Uber has broke out, so it's now in breakouts and not setting up. Meta is also in breakout. It just broke out. It's not in setting up. Microsoft is still setting up for a breakout. PLTR still setting up. ARM, huge setup. This is actually like a golden one. Microsoft is also golden. This is kind of Netflix already broke out, so that's a breakout, not a setting up. And then Spot is already a breakout. So we don't have much in setting up right now. The best one I'm looking at is ARM. ARM is the one I would be paying attention to at the moment. Can't see the volume. Let's go here. Yeah, there's a lot of volume. Almost 100 million volume. This is a lot. Don't know if I drew this line right, but it's... You can draw it like this, like on the highs. Don't have to be perfect, really. But something like that. So on Monday, we need this to gap up above these lines. And hopefully we should be good on that. But that's what I'm watching on ARM, really just gapped up, right? And you can see it went sideways. Completely sideways. Back to the 9, right? Back to the 9, back to the 9 EMA. Hasn't touched 20 yet. I'm not looking forward to it, but look at this range that it's built here. So here it holds up the 9, gaps up, holds the 9 again, right? Comes back to the 9 again. Consolidate, gaps up again, but it doesn't break out. Like there's no range here. Well, it kind of breaks out, but it's a very tight breakout. But there's no volume, and like tiny bit of volume here and there. But it starts losing volume. Range gets built. So now we're just expecting that breakout, right? On breakout day, we'd be looking for a lot of fucking volume here. That's what I'd be expecting, to be honest. That's what I would like for ARM. But usually how I do this is I just go by sector by year, go to technology, healthcare we don't trade, so we don't, industrials I don't trade. Financial services and technology are probably the two big ones. I mean, what is ARM really? ARM's holding. Pretty sure it's technology, yeah, okay. So you just go by sector, technology, and then I just do like year to change, and you just go like, or like highest ADR, like which one's supposed to like change the most. But you see like some of these are like not even like good, but you just go through all of them, right? And you find the one that like can set up, right? So like the most watched, for example, I just do that one. So what's the most watched right now? So these SMCI, I know it just got added. I'm pretty sure, hold on, let me look this up. I'm pretty sure SMCI just got added to the S&P 500. Wait, permanently closed. Oh shit. Yeah, look. Super Microsoft surges as AI server maker set to join the S&P 500. I mean, that's huge. Hence why you saw the spike here. And it's probably going to gap up. Let's just be honest. SMCI, let's look on here. Probably definitely gapped up. Yeah, I mean, you can tell. 1003. Where is it? 1003. Yeah. It gapped up all the way up here, bro. Yeah, that's fucking crazy, bro. Like, look at this. Bro, yeah. That's fucking wild. Whoever had calls in that is making fucking money, but that's SMCI. You have SoundHound, Apple, Apple. Yeah, this is not even setting up at all. Meta. Okay, well, Meta broke out. I'm guessing you could still probably get into Meta, but let's see. Let's find Meta here. There's so many fucking. Yeah, Meta's gone. Dell Technology, I don't know what's going on. Oh, PLTR. Okay, so this is one. Okay, so PLTR, right, is on my list here for setting up. It's there on my list. It's a pretty good, strong stock. I already have this up. Although I don't like how it's writing the EMA right now, because it's not really forming a range. Like, it's just down and then back up, and then it could break out, but it's not. It is going sideways in a way, but it's not going sideways the way I want it to. Definitely gapped up. Like, it's definitely a strong stock. I'm not gonna lie, but and it's one of the leading stocks, so definitely one to look out. MicroStrategy, nothing really to look for. Microsoft, this is kind of like an AMD when you really look at it. Like, it's one of those that just goes sideways for a while. Microsoft, yeah, like this, right? The only thing I really don't like, for example, AMD didn't have this, but look at these little gaps, right? These little gaps on AMD are fine. But Microsoft has these big ass fucking gaps. I don't know if these were earnings or like Q4, Q3 or whatever, but I do not like this. It definitely does go sideways, and it's definitely a extremely relatively good stock. I just I need this to have a stronger breakout, to be honest. ARM, this is the one we're watching too. Again, it's part of the leading, what's in the leading sector and one of the leading stocks here. ACRMR, I'll go APP. Oh, okay. This is APP. Already had its breakout, looks like. Kind of broke out here. Definitely did go sideways. APP, let's look. Let's see if it rode the EMA. Yeah, it did. Look at this. Gapped up, sideways, range, and you could have gone in. So this already broke out. AI, DC, Uber broke out. MU, GCT, I don't even know what that is. NEP. Damn, what is this? Coherent Corp? Oh, yeah, no. Damn, what is Mark? Wait, Robinhood? Holy fuck. Oh, yeah, I was gonna say this is CRM. Damn, what a gap. See, like, this is something I don't personally like. Also, it does go sideways, but it's going sideways, but upwards, right? It's not going sideways like this, nor going sideways down. If it's going down sideways, it's still fine because it still has a chance to gap up. Like for example, what is it? ARM or AMD? AMD went down a little bit, right? And it gapped up. But what was the one? ARM is the one that went down, right? And then it can gap up to those highs. Also Microsoft. But I don't like when it goes up, in my opinion. Lyft. Oh yeah, this was expected. They missed their fucking earnings here. Frog. And like here we're getting away from like the leading stocks, right? This is getting like really down where I don't really want to go, but you kind of have to look at. Oh yeah, TSM. TSM is another one I was looking at, but TSM had a weird breakout. Or weird breakout. TSM is the something about Nvidia. So they're like, Nvidia makes chips, but they don't actually produce them. They just sell the design, if that makes sense. Like they sell how to make the chip, and then TSM is the one that will make that physical chip, if that makes sense. But they own, Nvidia owns the right to sell the, what's called, like the instructions of like how to make the chip, and then Taiwan Semi whatever makes the actual chip. So they work together. Hence why when Nvidia is doing good, this is doing good too. Right? Makes sense. Also kind of broke out here if you want to look at it like that, right? Definitely went sideways and then broke out. Owl just keeps going up. All these, man. Up, sideways a little bit. This one's a little more. It's not really, didn't look that. That's the problem, though. Yeah, Spotify's on there, too. Look at this WGS. Oh, it's not. It's really not getting any looks though. Yeah, I'm actually not even looking at that. But it is good. WGS. Just to show you what I'm talking about. Yeah, okay, yeah, this is a no-go because it's going sideways, sure, but it's not hitting the EMA quite yet. Good try. Good try, good try. I mean, so far, there's nothing that came up in the news about anything that I'm aware of. The fuck? Why do I have this mark? This is shit. PLT? Wait, don't I have this? No, it's PLTR, no? Yeah, PLTR, not PALT. What the fuck is this? Oh, that's pretty much it, to be honest. There's really not that much. Yeah. Really not that much here. Industrial. Yeah, but we don't trade near these. That's the problem. Yeah, like lunar, stuff like that. XR. 800 though. 800. This one's a good breakout, but how much volume does it have? Yeah, I don't know. It would have been good if it had more volume, but it pulls back to the MA. Possibly break it out. But no. It's not even it's also not even in a leading sector, so I'm not even looking to like industrial, like the fuck. Industrial, like don't get me wrong, it's good, but I'm gonna look in financial services here. Coinbase, I heard that this went up a lot. I know this went up a lot. I don't know what's going on with Coinbase, but it might have to do with don't they do crypto? Like they do a lot of crypto, don't they? Mara. Yeah, I remember this. CLSK. It's not really going sideways, so it like went up. I wouldn't be looking to trade this. Yeah, it's completely. It's disrespecting the EMA too. Gapped up. Nope. Root. What the hell? What the fuck is happening with Root? My goodness. What is Root? Holy shit. So that's Root, Bank of America. Riot. SoFi. Bro, none of these are actually like setting up whatsoever. Oh yeah. New York Community Banks down to $3. Bro, they're down almost 70%, bro. Holy fuck. That's fucking crazy. Visa. Oh, Visa is... No, we're not trading that. Damn, nothing's getting looked at here, bro. Like, the only good sector is technology, bro. That's the only sector. So, right now, like, the only companies we have marked for, like, Monday is ARM, Microsoft, and PLTR. That's it, bro. That's all we're looking at. It's kind of fucking bum, but actually, the less you have, the better, because then you can focus on, like, one or two, like, just fine. Microsoft. Yeah, sure. And then ARM. This is what we're really looking at here. ARM, I have a really strong feeling that this could go. Let me look here. Its ADR is 10.6, which I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna do the strike price and the whole multiplying the ADR by the times a day. I'm gonna hold it. But let me quickly go. Actually, I'm pretty sure. Can I just check the options here? Yeah, I can. Oh, they don't offer. Okay, so they have 6 day, so that's the closest. I do like all. Alright, let me just do like 30. Let's be realistic. If it breaks out, if it gaps up, you're targeting 165, right? 165. 165 is like the last contract. Oh shit. Calls. How do I move this? $100, damn. Well, yeah, for now, but what's the volume now? Not bad. Yeah. Okay. That's not bad. Yep. So, R, Microsoft, and PLTR. So far, that's it. I'm gonna do one on Sunday, but really nothing big changes on Sunday. So we'll really see on Monday. I know Morgan has ARM and Uber, but Uber has already basically broken out. So I will see you guys very soon on Monday, Tuesday, whenever I take a fucking position. All right. See y'all. I hope you have a good weekend.